Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial on using Cricut iron-on foil, which is not the same as the stick-on foil, but I recently had to look up instructions on how to use this, and the Cricut website was a little vague on some details. So I've got my design here that I've downloaded from Etsy. I think it was from Dizzle Dazzle Design Co. on Etsy. And I'm going to be putting this on a t-shirt. So I've got it sized down to fit my foil. I've got it at about 8.5 by 11. So the key thing here is you want to put this with the foil side down, and that is the part that was confusing to me. Okay, so we're going to put this, because they say put it with the liner side down, and you would think that this was the liner, but apparently this side is the liner side, and there is a plastic coating over top of the foil, and that is the liner. So we're putting this liner side down on the light grip mat. And I'm in Cricut Design Space here. I'm just going to click Make It. Then I'm going to click Mirror, which is very important. And then I'm going to click Continue. So now I'm going to select what I'm using, and I have made it a favorite with a little star here. It's foil iron-on. Pressure, I have default selected. So now I'm ready to load this into the Cricut. Okay, so I've got the foil ready to go. Okay, so it is cut, and now comes the fun part. We need to weed it from the back. So I'm just keeping my image up on my computer screen so I can remember which parts I don't want. And we're just weeding out all of the negative spots of the image and just leaving what we're going to wind up ironing onto our t-shirt. So that's going to take me a few minutes, so I will go do that and come back when it's ready to fuse. Okay, so I've got this all weeded, and I've got my t-shirt. It's been washed already, and I am just going to preheat the spot where I'm going to put this iron-on foil. And I'm going to turn the temperature down. They say to use wool setting, but then other people say it doesn't stick right at the wool setting, so we'll see. I'm just going to try and get this centered under the logo and straight. All right, so we're going to take the iron, and I'm going to watch the clock, and for 30 seconds I'm going to press, and then I'm going to move it to the next spot. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over and iron from the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna let it cool and attempt to peel this plastic liner off. And if it does not peel, then we're gonna redo the ironing. Okay, I'm gonna start attempting to peel very slowly. And there we go. This is a birthday gift for my uncle. I hope he likes it. Best of luck with your foil transfers on your Cricut.